Lignolog allows us to rethink fastening in a multitude of different applications. The most favorite applications up until now, just to name a few, are the following. Massive wall assembly as a cross-laminated timber panel or nail-laminated timber panel, either just fixing the outside to the rest of the assembly or assembling the whole panel with Lignolog nails. Then interior wall cladding, for instance when reclaimed wood is used, massive wood furniture and all kinds of cabinetry stuff, or sauna building. We also have seen a lot of use cases for temporary fixings, like in stage sets, or also in production settings where companies wanted to fix boards or panels for a short period of time before they wanted to process the material at a different stage.